Now that I got all the sanding completed on the back, I could go ahead and put the stain on. Now I did put it on there kind of thin because I thought it made it look good. Considering this is going on an old barn, it kept that weathered look. And once I got finished with the stain, I started applying the sealer as well. And that completed the back of the barn door. As you can see, this barn door is very large, and I did require a little help to put it back on the sawhorses so I could complete it. And after making a trip to my local big box store, I picked up the stain that the customer had picked out. After I finished this, I applied the sealer, and this half of the front barn door is done.